The Earth's estimated age is approximately 4.5 billion years, and according to scientific research, it took around 200 million years for the planet to develop the necessary conditions to support life. However, the oldest discovered fossil dating back to roughly 3.7 billion years ago indicate that life began to emerge on Earth between 4.3 to 3.7 billion years ago. During this 600-year time frame, something different happened on the Earth, something which have never been seen in the entire universe, which led to the occurrence of life on the blue planet. While several theories have been proposed to explain the origin of life on the Earth, none of them have been able to provide a definitive and comprehensive explanation for the same. However, among these theories, one seems to stand out, which I believe might be the most accurate one. The theory which states that the life originated in the oceans. The Earth was a fireball for nearly 300 million years after its formation. Over time, as it began to cool down, conditions shifted, becoming more favorable for life. Around 4 billion years ago, a crucial event took place in newly formed ocean, where organic molecules like amino acid and nucleotides began to emerge. In lab experiments, researchers have demonstrated that simple organic molecules such as amino acid can be synthesized under the conditions similar to Earth's early environment. For example, the Miller-Urey experiment, conducted in 1953, showed that electric sparks, when passed through a mixture of gas, could generate amino acids. Subsequently, these molecules underwent chemical reactions supported by diverse environmental conditions. Over an extensive period, these organic materials progressively assembled into complex structures, ultimately giving rise to the first living organism. The first living creature would have been quite basic, relying on thermal energy from lightning, volcanic activity, and UV radiation in its surroundings. It would have been a single-celled organism, and even the early living creature would not have possessed the ability to reproduce. They simply came into existence and eventually perished within a short span of time. However, after a few million years, a crucial development took place. These early life forms acquired the ability to multiply, marking a significant leap in their progression. Initially, their reproduction was driven by favorable conditions, but now they were reproducing because of their own kind. They started multiplying rapidly and spread out in the world. The life on the Earth for these immature babies was not easy. It likely took millions of years for them to develop the first protective layer around themselves. And then around 3.8 billion years ago, the Luca appeared. Luca stands for the last universal common ancestor. Luca is believed to be the most recent ancestor of all current living organisms on the Earth. It represents a pivotal point in evolutionary history when Luca diversified into three broad categories. Bacteria, from which you all are familiar. Archaea, they are single-celled microorganisms distinct from bacteria, often inhabiting extreme environments such as near volcano. And the last, eukaryotes, more complex organisms with cell-containing nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, encompassing diverse life forms from unicellular protists to multicellular plant, fungi, and animal. The formation of these three domains mark a significant milestone in the evolution and diversification of life on our planet. But what happened after the Luca diversified? To know that, you have to watch second part of this video, which will be uploaded soon. And that's it for this video. Please consider subscribing if you like the video.